Hello and welcome back. Right, so we're moving on to the next part. So it says, using a suitable software package, open a web J12 Dive HTM. Right, so I haven't looked at it, but I'm assuming that, you've already done one. So I'm assuming this one's probably going to be just as easy, but we'll soon see. Okay, so let's open up J12 Dive HTM. Let's take a look. Oh, just nearly went past it. There we go. Okay, so here it is. Now, I'm assuming we've got to add a style sheet to this of some kind. I think once we've done, I know my class, we've been through a fair few of these now, so you do go through the same thing. So hopefully by now you're pretty confident. As I said, any point in any of these videos, if you want to pause and do it yourself, then come back to it, obviously do so. So, right, so yes, attach the style sheet J12 style 1 CSS to the web page. So I've noticed so far in this we haven't actually really adjusted any style sheets, we just added them. So here we are, and added the style sheet. There we go. Now assuming that the picture that we picked up we're going to have to change as well, but we'll soon see. So as you create the web page, make sure the styles within the style sheet are not changed. Well, I don't think we haven't changed anything. Right, replace the text with your candidate number, your name. Now, never ever skip these, because this is proof that you have done the work. Now, if you hand this work in and you haven't changed your candidate name, okay, and your number and a centre number, I'm assuming you're going to get no marks for it, because this is proof that you've actually done the work. Okay, so centre number, as I said, I don't know the centre number, I just made it up, the same as I made my candidate number, but for some reason when I type it wrong, I always pull it right. So, there we go, and I spelt my own name wrong. Advise you not to do that. Okay, right, there we go. So, carrying on. So it says, replace the heading here with the text scuba diving with, and apply the H2 style to this text. Okay, so scuba diving with, let's take a look. So replace heading here. Ah, here we are. There we go. Right, and we've got to put the heading style in here. So the heading style was, I just always have to double check, H2. Okay, so you select your text, go to split, and it should find it for you. Okay, and there we go. So just put in your H2. And as I said, the tag that immediately closes. Now, what you can do, if you want, you can actually just copy and paste. Well, cut and paste, so Control X and Control V and pop it in there if you want to. Okay, so when we go back to design, that should immediately change. There we go, it's changed. See, it's centered it, it's completely changed it. Right, so next one, we should hopefully fly through this, and like I said, if you think you can do this by yourself, then go for it. I would be very happy. So, right, using the contents of the file, J12 list TEX, replace list here with the text novice divers ... also catered for, using the contents of the file. Okay, replace the list here text. So where is it? Ah, here we are. Right, so as I said, with text files you can always copy and paste them. Never ever copy and paste a image, because it just don't work. Okay, so every time I talk I get distracted and I can't find my files. Year 11, sorry, here we go, I'm getting distracted again. See kids, those habits that I pick up with you in class, I am just as bad. There we go. It's probably even worse at school. Okay, so we're on paper 3, no, web 31. Okay, so here we are. No, we're done. Oh yeah, novice divers can. So right, I'm just going to see how much this. I think it's probably all of the text. Okay, right. All of the text. Let's do it. Control C. Control V. There we go. Okay. Right, so now we've got to start applying some styles. So if you are not confident with applying the styles, I mean, my students, we've been through it in class, this is definitely the one to do it with. Okay, so following styles. Novice divers can a style P. Okay, so we go to split, open up, P, close the tags. Control X, and put that right at the end here. There we go, it's changed it. Okay, this one is style, right, so these are all going to be lists, okay? So up until amazing, oh no, not all of them, okay? Right, try at the pool, as that's going to be a bullet point. Split. Okay. Right, oh, little problem here. It looks like it's changed nearly all of it. Okay, so let's see if we can sort that out. Because I did close that. Okay, right. Right, try at a pool, learn our safety. Right, see if that's changed here. Yeah, I think it has. Okay, so it's not so bad. Right. Okay, so like I said, if you pause the video and do this yourself, fine. Learn our safety tips as style. Okay, so I'm going to bullet point that. You guys might even be quicker than this. I've just done that. Right, learn our confined water skills. Yeah, that's list. And the next one, try at the sea. Okay, so try at the sea. Has it found it? Yep, here it is. So that's list. Hate the way it closes right at the end there. It's so annoying. There we go. Okay, and next one. Dive with an instructor is list and qualify is list. Okay, so next two. Dive with an instructor. Okay, and I think you can is P. And have fun is list. and discover a whole new world is list, amazing fish is list, and then the last one is P. Okay, so discover a whole new world. Right. And the last one's P, as we know. Right, so that should all be done there. Let's take a look. Okay, yep. I think that's done that. That looks fine, I think. So, I think that's what they're looking for. Brilliant. Right. So, let's take a look at the time. Right, I've got it, I think I'm on 11 minutes now. Okay, right, so it's dashed by that for me. Right, so now it says format the first list as an ordered list. Okay, so yeah, I think it's done that. Format the second list as an unordered list. Right, I think I'll come back to that. Replace the text image here with an image of a scuba diver downloaded in step 4. Do not resize this image. Okay, the image of the scuba diver list. Right, so, sorry, just image of the scuba diver. Right, so, now, going to go insert, picture, from file. Okay, yep, and I think that's the only one there, so that's the one we used earlier pretty much. There we go. And it says do not change anything for this picture. Right, okay, I'm going to come back to those other 2 points in the next video. So now I'm going to upload this video and click on the next step to see what we need to do with that list.